Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you how to import data in Microsoft Access. So stay tuned and watch till the end. This is a blank document in Microsoft Access. If I want to import data from some other file, so how can I do this? I'll go to the external data tab. There is a import and the link option here, and you can see new data source option. If I click on this, now you can see from file, go to the file, and for example, if you want to import the Excel file, I'll go select this option. Now I'll browse my file in computer. So for example, my file is on desktop, so I will select this sample work file, click open. Now there are three options: import the source data and a new table in the current database, append a copy of records to the table, link to the data source by creating a link table. If I want to create the data in the new table in current database, keep selecting this option, press OK. So now you can see the next option is showing me the data layout. Go to the next. Now if I want to keep the headers, if I want to keep the headings of this data, so I will take this option. Go to the next one is there are field options. So it's showing the data type. For example, if I select this one and go to the data type, I can change the data type, either it's integer, long integer, currency, or something else, or I just left it. Next one, the index means you want to keep the duplicates, or if you want no duplicate, then press this one, or just leave this option as it is. There's another option. For example, if I want to skip any data, so you just select the column which you want to skip and just take this option, so this data won't be import in your database. So I want to import all the data, I'll just untick this option, and then now I'll go to the next one is a key. Choose my own primary key. Let access add primary key. This is a main column. You can see that. You can imagine this is a main column in the database. For example, choose my own primary key. I can select the any column from here. That would be my own primary key, or you can say the no primary key. So go to the next one. Next one is if I want to write the name of the table, I'll just keep it with the summary. So then the finish one, click on finish. Now if you want to save the steps, click on this option, otherwise just close it. Now you can see the summary table has been imported. If I double click on this, now you can see all the data which exists in the Excel file have been imported now. So this is the way you can import the data. So hit the like button if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in the next video.